Well, as y'all can see, it is, and probably hear, it is very windy out here today. Wind's blowing 20 to 30. And I'm sure that that bay probably looks like the ocean does on a light wind day. We're just going to stop at some selected areas here and see if there's anything that might want to play. We'll see. It's one of my favorite baits. It's a Zoom paddle tail. Got it on a weighted hook, weedless. Trying to get used to this baitcaster. I bought it. A lot of people think that they are better than spinning rods. I don't know. I've always been partial to spinning rods and spinning reels. Trying to find out what's so special about them. So I came out here today with just one rod, kind of forcing myself to use it. See, the problem is I can't get all the way to the other side, and if I had my spinning rod, I could. I just saw some fish flash swimming by. There's another one. Probably mullet. I actually think my lure scared them. Deer. Good, yourselves?
Good, buddy. Any luck?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
No.
What do you usually catch out here?
There's usually snook. From what I'm just switching over. I was using a Zoom paddle tail on the way down, and now I'm getting ready to head back because it's getting dark.
That's a good lure. I got a couple of them. They work real good.
Well,
Good luck, man.
I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I'm fishing today with a Shimano Therese waxwing. This is a 7-foot medium heavy, and I'm using a Shimano Curado baitcaster 201 HG. Now this is a left-handed model. I'm right-handed. I decided to go with a left-handed so that when I'm fishing with a spinning rod and grabbing a bait casting rod to cast with it, I'm not doing things one way on one setup and a different way on another. Retrieve is always going to be using my left hand, and right hand will always be holding the rod. Maybe for people that are avid baitcaster users that doesn't make any sense, but it did to me. Ooh, that was a jack. That was a jack following it up. That would have been a fun fight. I'd love to catch a little jack out here. know if y'all saw that or not. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that, but there was 3 or 4 little jacks right down here that really wanted this right as it got to the shore, right as it got to the edge. I'm hoping that y'all be able to see them this time, if you didn't before. Nope. Come on, Snook. Come on, Jack. Oh, I just had a really nice fish follow this up, and I'll bet you money that was a snook. It was long like a snook. Whoa! And we've got a fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby. Figure out which way this drag works. I guess it's that way. What have I got here? I see it. Some kind of a fish. What is that? I think that's a peacock bass. Interesting. Now I got to get down there and get him released. Well, that was worth the trip. Yeah. What are you? Let's see here. How am I going to do this? Yeah, nice. Pretty. Yep. And let's see, I don't know if, yeah, I think he's got a little bit of a rough mouth there. So I'm not going to stick my hands in there. See if I can get him out of here without hurting him or me. There you go. Take off, buddy. Woohoo! Thank you. You made my trip worthwhile. Oh, there's a turtle. See him? How about that, Mr. Turtle? How you doing, buddy? Oh, and I got a fish. Yeah, this one wants to play a little bit. And I think he just let loose. Yeah, I think you did. Daggone it. Didn't set the hook well enough, I guess. He was taking some drag. It could have been a jack. But you know, it's getting dark. Somebody is going to be missing me if I don't get home real soon. So I guess this will be my last cast. Well, everybody, it was a blowout weekend as far as the winds go. That's why you see me fishing from a bank. Anyhow, it's just good to get out and be able to do some fishing. Wishing everybody bent rods, tight lines.